Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I want to explain how to create a teaching module. And before explain, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ain Supiani. I am from IKIP Siliwangi students. My ID number is 220601995. And I'm from class B1, non-regular 20 and 22. This is a cover and title. You can see cover and title the first. And then I will scroll. English module. And then the name or teaching teacher is Siska Indriani S.Ham. The first step to making English module about short functional text online review. First, A, general information, and then you write 1, school identity. The part of school identity, there are school name like SPK SMAS Pribadi Bandung, and then subject is English, phase or grades E or 10, domain or topic, short functional text online review, CP dimensions. First, reading, viewing. Third, writing, presenting. Time allocation is 1 learning meeting. Semester or academic years, Ganjil or 20 and 23 until 20 and 24. Author, Siska Indriani S.Ham. Next step, 2. Initial competencies or prerequisites. The students have prior knowledge of short text type and are able to read information in English correctly and fluently. And then students have a good understanding of how to construct sentences in the present and past tense correctly. Next step, profil pelajar Pancasila in Indonesia Independent Curriculum. Profil pelajar Pancasila, there are 6 dimensions. Beriman bertakwa kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa dan berakhlak mulia in English. Believing, used to God Almighty and having noble character. Like this learning activity is begun and ended with a prayer to God. And critical thinking, like this activity, students are encouraged to analyze existing online reviews and identify the language feature of the text. This develops student ability to think critical about the implied and implicit message in the text. Independent is student can find information on online review example independently. Collaboration is students are able to collaborate or work together to create an online review text using First Media. Last, creative. Students are able to generate ideas, creativity, and flexibility in creating an online reviews using various applications. Step 4, there are facilities and infrastructure. Learning resource, there are book for teacher, book for student, and you can make word wall to assessment, and you can make a presentation in Canva application. And then media and tool material, there are laptop, LCD projector, smartboard, smartphone, speaker, whiteboard, and slide presentation. Step 5, there are target student. Student with English language proficiency level A2 B1. Step 6. Learning model or methods. Project-based learning or PGBL with optimist TPAC. Okay, get to into learning. B. Fill in the teaching module. Okay, there are 3 steps. Step first, material to be learned. Short functional text. A short functional text is a brief piece of writing that serves a specific purpose or function. Example for short functional text include notice, advertisement, email, and reviews. Online review. An online review is a written evaluation or commentary about a product, service, or experience post on the internet. In the context of your question, it specifically refers to reviews of restaurant or cafe. Online reviews are commonly found on various platforms such as review websites and etc. And then language feature for writing online reviews. When writing online reviews, several language features contribute to the effectiveness and clarity of the message, like a positive and negative verb, correct past tense, and descriptive language. Learning objective. Students will be able to find information related to short functional text. Students will be able to find information related to short functional text. Students will be able to create a short functional text. And students will be able to present the short functional text. And the last, student will be able to evaluate short functional text. 3. Meaningful understanding. After studying formal online reviews text, students can create similar text and present them to other students well. 4. Provocation question. For example, what makes people want to eat a certain cafe or a restaurant? What role do you think visual, such as photos of this display in a restaurant or cafe review? Like that. C. Learning activities. In the learning activities, there are 3 steps. Introduction. There are preparation, orientation, open class with greeting and prayer, checking attendance. Student ask questions associated with initial competency through word wall. A perception, like provide a trigger question. For example, what makes people want to eat a certain cafe or a restaurant? Like that. Teacher ask question related to the audio you hear. For example, why doesn't Jeff like the atmosphere in an expensive restaurant? Or what does he say about the food? And last, student conveying goals learning. Core activities. Phase 1. Determine fundamental question. There are divided the student into several groups of 3 until 4 students, providing someone informal online review example to each group, giving instruction to complete worksheet 1 until 3. Phase 2. Design a product plan and develop a manufacturing schedule, like distribute worksheet 4 and instruct each group to discuss ideas for creating an online review text using Canva sharing. Provide each group with a Canva link to share their ideas. Next, phase 3. Monitoring liveliness and development project, like guiding students in completing the task, circulating among all group and monitoring student activities, and then providing attitude assessment that include activities, cooperation, and creativity. And the last, providing attitude assessment that include activeness, cooperation, and creativity. Phase 4. Testing result. Effective guiding students through the presentation process involves careful organization and clear communication of expectation. Phase 4. Evaluation or learning experience. Encourage student, other group to provide oral feedback on presented. Plus, evaluating the entire learning activity work. GN, closing, evaluation and follow-up plan. Conducting reflection by providing someone question, asking one of the students to lead the closing prayer, saying goodbye to end the lesson. Okay, D. There are assessment. Attitude assessment is obtained from the result of observation during the learning process. Attitude assessment include active, cooperative, creative. And then next, this is a student activity assessment instrument and feedback. The specific instrument or method used to assess student activity will vary depending on the context and the teacher preference. Some common methods include observation, checklist, rubric, and self-assessment survey. There are formative assessment, work, and presentation. Formative assessment obtained from group assignment in the form of project assessment. Formative assessment can help teachers to improve their instruction by collecting data on student learning. Teacher can identify areas where their instruction may need to be modified. Okay, the next, objectives of presentation assessment rubrics like this. Presentation assessment rubrics are tools used to evaluate the quality of presentation. They consist of a set of criteria that are assessed on a specific scale. Presentation assessment rubrics help ensure that presentation evaluation is conducted objectively and measurably. Clear criteria and well-defined rating scale help reduce bias and subjectivity in assessment. The next step, E. Enrichment and remedial. Enrichment, student with class average grade or performance will receive enrichment activities in the form of individual assignment. The remedial, student with grade or performance below the class average will make improvements and report assessment. Students will carry out guided learning, namely by asking for help from students with grade above the class average, change to English. F. Teacher reflection. For example, there are 3 examples. Have the learning object been assigned? Do students collaborate well in discussion activities? Are there changes in student attitude and skill during the learning activities process? The next, student reflection. 2 examples. What material is difficult to understand? What activities are difficult to complete? Like that. There are attachments. Attachment. This generally refers a separate document or file that is added to the main document for future reference or to provide supporting information. It could be data, table, chart, image, or other supplementary material relevant to the topic. Student worksheet. This is a student worksheet or LKPD. This is a sheet containing exercise, question, or activities designed for students to complete during class time or as homework. There are teacher and student reading materials. These are resources intended for both teacher and student to use during the learning process. And then glossary. A glossary is a list of terms or concepts specific to a particular object or field along with their definition. It serves as a quick reference guide. It serves as a quick reference guide for students to understand the meaning of specially vocabulary encountered during the learning activity. And then bibliography is a list of sources used the development of the lesson plan or the creation of teaching materials. It provides proper citation for the reference and allows students and teachers to find more information on the topic of needing. The last, there are assignments from author and grandmaster. Okay, thank you guys. That is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.